Have you ever bought a second-hand iPhone or forgotten your Apple ID password and now you guys can't even turn off Find My iPhone? That's one of the most frustrating things because without disabling Find My iPhone, you can't properly reset the device, sign out of iCloud, and you can't even use regular features normally. If I go into settings here and then go down to general and scroll all the way down, and then go down to transfer or reset iPhone, you guys can see here, and then go to erase all content and settings and then click on continue and then click on erase. If I enter in my passcode, and you guys can see here, I do need to enter in my Apple ID password to turn off Find My and activation lock. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple method that can help remove the Apple ID and turn off Find My iPhone using a tool called For You Key iPhone Unlock. So for this tutorial, you guys will need your iPhone, you will need a Windows computer, you guys will need a USB cable, so whichever USB cable suits you, and then the software itself. So you're gonna head over to your computer, and just note that this works with Windows or Mac. It says right over here, available for Windows or Mac. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do it with a Windows computer. And I'll also leave a link in the description down below if you guys wanna follow along. And so basically all you have to do is just click on free download here. And once you guys have downloaded the software, just go to For You Key. And you guys will get a user control prompt. Click on yes to open up the application. And now that the application has opened, you guys can see a bunch of different stuff here. And for this video, since I'm talking about disabling Find My, I'm just going to click on disable Find My here. And now we just need to connect our iOS device via USB cable. So just connect it here. And once you guys have connected the actual device, you guys will see here, disable Find My. It'll give you the iPhone model itself. And now we just need to go back to our iPhone here and do all of these instructions here. So you're gonna go to your iPhone, and the first thing that you guys have to do on your iPhone is just set a password. And once you guys have done that, just go into Safari settings here. So go to apps and then scroll down to Safari. And then in Safari, you guys are going to scroll down until you guys see advanced right at the bottom here. And then you guys are gonna turn on Web Inspector. And now all we need to do is just open up Safari. So go back to your home screen, go to Safari, and open up iCloud.com. And now what you guys are gonna do is go back to your computer and click on Start Remove. And then once you guys click on Start Remove, you're gonna click on Sign In here. Click Sign In. And then you guys will see on your PC, it'll say disabling Find My. And you guys will get a notification here saying Find My has been disabled on your iDevice here, and you'll get all of your possible devices getting disabled. And so now you can go back to your computer here and it will say Find My disabled successfully. And what we need to do now is just verify the status here. So get your IMEI, copy that here, and then go here and then click on this to click on check status. And just note that it disables it on every single one of your iDevices. And now here you guys are just going to paste your IMEI, click on search, and as you guys can see here, Find My has now been disabled. And just like that, the Apple ID has been removed and Find My iPhone is now disabled. And now you should be able to access the device normally again. And honestly, I was kind of surprised by how simple this process actually was. Usually when people get locked out of an iPhone or can't disable Find My iPhone, they assume that the device is basically unusable, especially if it's connected to an old Apple ID account. But with For You Key, the steps were actually pretty straightforward and beginner friendly. You don't really need to be super technical to figure it out because the software guides you through everything step by step. And I think that's probably the biggest advantage here. Instead of spending hours searching through random methods online that may or may not work, this pretty much keeps everything in one place. And if you guys head back to the For You Key app and then click on the back icon here, you guys can see that there are a bunch of other things that you guys can do. So you guys can unlock your iOS screen, remove your Apple ID without the password, and then bypass mobile device management and remote management on iOS devices. And you guys can even remove iCloud activation lock on locked devices instantly. So it's basically like an all-in-one toolkit for unlocking your iPhone and recovery. And another thing I like is that it supports a pretty wide range of iPhones and iOS versions, which is useful because a lot of tools usually only work on specific versions. So if you guys are dealing with iPhones often, whether it's your own device, family devices, or even secondhand iPhones, this is honestly just one of those tools that's good to have available at all times. So yeah, if you guys want to check out For You Key iPhone Unlock for yourself, I'll leave the download link in the description down below. And if you guys are dealing with Apple ID issues, Find My iPhone problems, screen locks, or other iOS restrictions, definitely give it a look because it can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helped you guys out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.